Hi, I'm Leighton from Viking Marine. Today I'm going to give you a few pointers on winterising your outboard engine. I recommend you follow your engine manufacturer's guidelines, but these are the 4 main points to follow. By following these points, this will help protect your engine over the winter months. Step 1, stabilise the fuel. This is mainly important to prevent gumming and varnish build-up of the fuel inside the engine. Step 2, flush the engine with fresh water while the engine's running. Step 3 is protect internal engine components. Remove spark plugs and treat each cylinder with storage oil. Step 4. On a 2-stroke engine, replace the gearbox oil. And on a 4-stroke engine, replace the gearbox oil, engine oil and oil filter.